This is some old Valvoline synthetic wheel bearing grease I had sitting around. See the oil? Separating. It went bad. Why did it go bad? I don't know, probably time, heat. Some new stuff, as you see. Oil is not separating. Most of it's actually in here in my handy dandy Easy Packer. But the deal is, when the grease looks like this, don't use it. Cause that was the shit that's running out of my cap on my truck. It looked like this. It probably wasn't bad when I used it, but over time it probably got worse. So that's junk. You can go do something with it, I don't know. Put it on people's door handles around your neighborhood. Put it on their door handle of their house, anything. So junk. Don't use it. Grease separates like that. You're going to have problems.